Hi, this is Ben with WTI, and I'm about to share with you my tips on how to capture stunning drone footage on your next vacation. Drone technology has advanced to the point where anyone who can handle a joystick can take stunning aerial footage. However, this doesn't mean your videos are going to look great automatically. It takes some work. The first thing you need to do is become comfortable with basic drone movements. By pushing forward on the joystick, not only do you get a great view, but this is also a great way to draw in your viewers to the rest of the video. Conversely, by pulling back, not only do you give your audience the opportunity to see the scale of the scene, but it's also a very handy way to close out a video clip. A helpful tip I learned is to film going forward and then on the reverse, giving you multiple options. Flying the drone sideways, either to the left or the right, will give you some great cinematic effects and also give your audience a wider view than the widest wide-angle lens. Once you've got the basics down, it's time to move on to more advanced movements, such as using your drone's presets, which will move the drone in a certain direction. It's going to be a lot smoother than if you did it yourself. My personal favorite is a 360 option, where all you have to do is indicate the item or object you want to stay in focus, indicate the distance away, and the drone will make a perfect circle all the way around it, which looks absolutely amazing. You should also experiment with the manual controls. For instance, moving the direction and altitude while in flight, which can be used to great effect. My last tip for today is to pay attention to your composition. Yes, even drone footage can be boring if all you do is fly around with the camera on. My advice is to experiment with different angles. Look for natural contrasts or opportunities where you can reveal something or an angle that you would normally never get the chance to see. Whenever possible, I try to find an object to focus on in the foreground. Not only does this increase the sense of scale, but it also serves to really engage the viewers in what they're watching. If you're going to get into drone photography, there's a couple of important items that you're going to need. Obviously, the first thing you're going to need is a drone, and unless you're doing commercial shoots, the lighter the better. Not only is it easier to carry around while traveling, but certain countries will allow you to take footage so long as it's below a certain weight. So that's a really big deal. Next up is a micro SD card, and if you're planning on shooting in high resolution like 4K, you're going to need a minimum of 64 gig. And don't underestimate the value of a good hat to keep the sun off your head and the glare off your screen. So if you're ready to take your travel videos literally to the next level, invest in a drone, apply these tips, and enjoy the benefits of a view that just will stun your audience. And if you've enjoyed this video, be sure to like, give a comment, follow WTI, and check out the products in the description. Once again, this is Ben with WTI wishing you happy travel.